Welcome to Centennial Pool. City of Greeley is gearing up for our summer season at our 2 outdoor pools and our 2 splash parks. It all kicks off Saturday, May 23rd, which is Memorial Day weekend. Here at Centennial Pool, we have 243-foot slide, a lap pool, splash pad, and a diving well. Centrally located in Greeley by Centennial Park, we also have a skate park, tennis courts, and a baseball field. It's a great place to play. Open swim is at Centennial Pool Monday through Friday from 1 to 6 and Saturday and Sundays from 12 to 6. Our family nights are Thursdays from 6 to 8 p.m.
And on the east side of town is Discovery Bay Water Park with a unique dinosaur theme, complete with a zero depth play area, lazy river, and a large water slide. Open swim is Monday through Sunday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and family night is on Wednesday evenings. Save some money and purchase a 10-punch pass through mygreeleyrec.com for adults and a discounted price for youth and seniors. Jamie, don't we have swim lessons coming up?
Swimming lessons start June 1st. We host lessons at Greeley Rec Center, Centennial Pool, Discovery Bay, and the Family Funplex. June and July sessions are both open currently on the website, so please register early. We also have 2 splash parks that will open Saturday, May 23rd, that is Island Grove and Sunrise. They are open from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and it's free to the public, so please come out and join us. Don't forget to go to mygreeleyrec.com in order to find out when we have weather closures or other great events that are coming up with City of Greeley.